online classes. Today I will teach you in mathematics quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. As we are knowing that quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is the standard form of quadratic equation. Here a is coefficient of x square and b is coefficient of x and c is constant term. So if any equation which will be in the form of this is called a quadratic equation. In previous classes I have taught you about this the process of checking the quadratic equation. So today I will teach you about the root of the quadratic equation. Suppose that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, it is a quadratic equation, and alpha and beta are root of this quadratic equation. Then according to quadratic formula, alpha will be minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta equal to minus b minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here is plus and here is minus. It is called root of quadratic equation. And next the topic is discriminant. Discriminant, it is the value of b square minus 4ac. Here b square minus 4ac. So if we find the value of this b square minus 4ac, so you can write discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. Here there are three cases we can see in the case of value of d. When we get d equal to 0, for solution of this, find the value of d. If we will get the value of d equal to 0, then root will be real and equal. Alpha and beta both root will be equal when d equal to 0. And second case, when d will be greater than 0, it means positive value. D is greater than 0, it shows that positive value, yes. Then root will be real and unequal. And third, when d is less than 0, it means d will be in negative. Then the root will be imaginary. So in these two cases, root will be real and this is the imaginary. In short, we can write quadratic formula. It is called also the combination of these two, alpha and beta. It is called quadratic formula. If we have to find the value of x, we can write x equal to minus b plus minus. Here 2 minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here is plus and here minus. When we combine this equation, we can find this. And in the short, if b square minus 4ac equal to d, so we can write also d. This is also formula. This is called quadratic equation. In the chapter 4b, there are many questions related to this formula. You can solve this question. First of all, we have to find the root will be real or imaginary. If root will be real, then we have to find the value of x. Then we can put formula of this quadratic equation. Okay.